With
regards to the ongoing budget session, what do you feel so far?
the session is on at the moment, no? So now till Friday the session will be on. The budget will be presented, then it will be discussed and all the demands will be met in the coming session.
So how is the urban area to change
In Aldona.
Yeah, in fact, there are some villages which have been taken as urban villages. In fact, I have to get a proper view on that. In fact, I discussed with the Minister, Honorable Minister, Jennifer. But urban villages, as per the census, this is of 2001 census. Should be more than 5,000 people there. So these two villages come under urban. But that has nothing to do with that come under land revenue code. Okay, so Moira village and Aldona village has been declared as urban village.
What are the advantages of it?
Advantage they say is basically the houses, which fall under CRZ. It will be better for them, which houses which were built before 1991. So once they will be able to get NOC from CRZ without, having further complications as of today. So that is one relief for them. But this has nothing to do with building regulations and all. With TCP, nothing. So that won't come in the purview of being an urban. It appears that all the building regulation will be applicable to that later at the later date, which as of now the Honourable Minister says, and also spoken to Nilesh Cabral. He says no, it won't.
Any hike in
No, nothing of the sort. There is no hike, nothing of the sort. No. It's only under land revenue code as per the census of 2001. More than 5,000 are declared urban and more beneficial, for the houses on the CRZ line. It will be much easier for them to get their repairs, renovation, or maybe in that respect.
the Panchayat is expected to pass a resolution?
No, so far
No need of resolution.
no resolution. As of now, it is no need.